In today's video, I'll show you how to audit permissions across sheets in Smartsheet so you can easily review and manage who has access to your project. First, open your browser and sign in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're on the homepage, select the project sheet you want to check. Next, click on Share at the top of the sheet to see who currently has access. Then click on Workspace if you want to review or manage permissions at the workspace level. You can add a name, email address, or group if you need to give someone access. Choose the appropriate permission levels such as admin, editor, commenter, or viewer, depending on what access you want them to have. After reviewing or updating the permissions, click Share to confirm your changes. And that's it! That's how you audit permissions across sheets in Smartsheet.